Lembang Park Zoo, located in Lembang, north of Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. The artificial lake is beautiful, surrounded by the park of beautiful flowers around. As far as you open your eyes, only fantastic sceneries. Nature of animals living can see very close, but of course not to touch. Fresh air, rich of oxygen in-house. Couldn't find any air pollution in north of Bandung. It's a good place for relaxing while enjoying a nice park and see the wildlife. See you again, Lembang Park Zoo. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers.
Bapak, hati-hati pas di jalan raya.